Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have top 10 best 700 cubic centimeters adventure motorcycles for 2025. Adventure motorcycles continue to captivate riders with their blend of on-road comfort and off-road capability. As we look toward 2025, several models stand out in the 700 cubic centimeter segment, offering diverse features, impressive performance, and value for money. Here's a roundup of the top 10 best 700 cubic centimeters adventure motorcycles for 2025. 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 Explore. MSRP, €11,799. Engine, 689 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power, 72 horsepower. Torque, 68 Newton-meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 875 millimeters. Weight, 204 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 16 liters. Features: adjustable suspension, multifunctional TFT display, traction control, off-road focused ergonomics. The Yamaha Tenere 700 Explore is a rugged and reliable choice for adventurers. It features a potent parallel twin engine, advanced suspension for varied terrains, and a lightweight chassis, making it perfect for both long-distance rides and off-road escapades. 2025 Benelli TRK 702X. MSRP, $7,899. Engine, 693 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power, 75 horsepower. Torque, 67 Newton-meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 840 millimeters. Weight, 232 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 20 liters. Features: AdventureTune suspension, LED lighting, comfortable riding position, optional luggage. With its aggressive styling and comfortable ergonomics, the Benelli TRK 702X offers a great balance of performance and affordability. Its capable engine and versatile nature make it an excellent entry point for adventure riders. 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT. MSRP, €9,490. Engine, 645 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, V-twin. Power, 71 horsepower. Torque, 62 Newton-meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 835 millimeters. Weight, 216 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 20 liters. Features: adjustable windscreen, ABS, traction control, long travel suspension. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT combines a smooth ride with practical features. Known for its reliability, this motorcycle offers a comfortable seat, adjustable windscreen, and excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for long tours and daily commutes alike. 2025 CF Moto 700 metric tons. MSRP, $7,000. Engine, 693 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power, 75 horsepower. Torque, 68 Newton-meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 795 millimeters. Weight, 218 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 19 liters. Features: TFT display, LED headlights, dual-channel ABS, adjustable handlebars. The CF Moto 700 metric tons delivers excellent value with a robust engine and a suite of modern features. It stands out with its impressive technology, including a TFT display and LED lighting, all while maintaining an accessible price point. 2025 Triumph Tiger Sport 660. MSRP, $9,695. Engine, 660 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline 3-cylinder. Power, 80 horsepower. Torque, 64 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 835 millimeters. Weight, 206 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 17 liters. Features, TFT display, adjustable windscreen, ABS, ride-by-wire throttle. The Triumph Tiger Sport 660 is a dynamic motorcycle that excels on both highways and dirt paths. Its powerful engine, premium components, and intuitive handling provide a premium riding experience, making it a strong contender in the adventure segment. 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 World Raid. MSRP, £11,910. Engine, 689 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power, 72 horsepower. Torque, 68 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 890 millimeters. Weight, 214 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 23 liters. Features, long-range fuel tanks, reinforced chassis, advanced suspension. The Tenere 700 World Raid takes the original model's capabilities further with enhancements in suspension and fuel capacity. Designed for serious adventure enthusiasts, this model is built to tackle the most challenging terrains with confidence. 2025 Kawasaki Versys 650. MSRP, $10,099. Engine, 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power, 69 horsepower. Torque, 64 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 840 millimeters. Weight, 216 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 21 liters. Features, long travel suspension, adjustable seat, windscreen, ABS. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is known for its comfort and versatility. Featuring a high windshield and adjustable seat, this motorcycle is perfect for long-distance touring while still being capable of handling off-road trails with ease. 2025 Aprilia Tuareg 660. MSRP, $12,299. Engine, 659 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power, 80 horsepower. Torque, 70 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 860 millimeters. Weight, 204 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 18 liters. Features, advanced electronics, multiple riding modes, full-color TFT display. The Aprilia Tuareg 660 combines sporty handling with adventure-ready features. Its lightweight design and powerful engine make it an exciting option for riders looking to conquer both roads and trails, while its advanced technology enhances the riding experience. 2025 Moto Morini X-Cape 650. MSRP, €8,299. Engine, 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power, 60 horsepower. Torque, 54 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 800 millimeters. Weight, 229 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 18 liters. Features, comfortable seat, adjustable suspension, modern design. The Moto Morini X-Cape 650 is a stylish and capable adventure bike. It offers a comfortable ride with a strong emphasis on off-road performance, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to explore beyond the beaten path. 2025 MASH X-Ride 650 Trail. MSRP, €6,999. Engine, 652 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single cylinder. Power, 40 horsepower. Torque, 52 Newton meters. Transmission, 5-speed. Seat height, 825 millimeters. Weight, 175 kilograms, wet. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. Features, retro styling, simple controls, lightweight frame, off-road capable. The MASH X-Ride 650 Trail stands out with its retro styling and user-friendly nature. This motorcycle is ideal for new adventure riders, offering a fun and approachable experience both on and off the road.